our journals because they wrote everything down. Because they don't talk to anyone. They don't do anything other than just stay in their room. So what's the source of entertainment? Writing stories, right? And so R was saying in her journal, oh my gosh, A keeps looking at me with murderous eyes. It looks like she wants to kill me or something. And so once they grew up, right, and then they committed the crime and they got separated, one of the twins met, like, you know, they were allowed to meet in the jail at least like once, okay? And they figured out the only way that we can talk, the only way we can finally get rid of this bond that prevents us from speaking to other people is for one of us to die. And so
preventing us from what?
Huh?
Back what you said before.
Because they would never talk to anyone because of all of the previous abuse from their classmates and stuff. They were so bullied to the point of silence, right? And so they wouldn't even talk to their parents, wouldn't talk to